All right, here we go. Jagr68 doing a box of Totally Certified. Good luck, sir. Thin one. Thin one. Really fat one. Thin one. Here we go. This one's insanely thin. No decoy or anything. Rookie of Michael Koska. And Totally Certified Rookie Autograph, Nicholas Jensen. Rookie of Jonathan Huberdeau. And Morgan Riley, rookie roll call jersey. We're heating up. Next, Magnus Hellberg, rookie. And numbered to 50, Matt Nieto, platinum red rookie jersey auto. Matt Nieto numbered to 50. Kind of an interesting autograph. WWWW. Oh man. There we go. Got a patch card, fatty. Alright, first up, we have numbered to 50, Braden Shen, platinum blue. Max Reinhardt, rookie. Here's a pretty solid one. Totally Certified Rookie Autograph, Dougie Hamilton. Dougie Hamilton, rookie auto. He's got a pretty good auto, Dougie. And, nice. Numbered 14 of 25, Totally Certified Gold Patch, Jeffrey Lupul. Jeffrey Lupul, number to 25, patch. So there you have it, sir.